Hello guys, welcome to Color Media once again. My name is Gulshan Shah. Friends, today we are going to discuss about what could be the expected cutoff for the MDS in 2021 counselling for all India quota. So now there are some changes this time in the counselling, and you must be aware of that changes that a new reservation policy has been implemented. So, and according to that policy, 27% of the OBC reservation is going to be implemented this time, and 10% for EWS. Now, because of this new reservation policy which is going to be implemented this time, there would definitely be changes in the cutoffs, right? So, keeping that on mind, we have created this cutoff. This is just an expected cutoff, right? So, because nobody can be sure about the cutoff, what should be the appropriate cutoff, that is not possible to predict. So based on these factors, based on this like 27% OBC reservation implementation and 10% EWS reservation, we have just assumed that what could be the cutoff this time in all India quota, and that too category wise, right? For general category, for OBC, SC, ST and EWS. So I hope this video will definitely help you a lot. And the figure which I am going to mention in this video, if you come under that figure, under the that cutoff, you can say that you are on the safer side of securing a particular seat, right? So let's start the video. First of all, oral surgery. For oral surgery, for general category, this time it could go up to 230 All India rank in All India quota. For EWS, it could go up to 260 All India rank. For OBC, it could go up to 240 All India rank. For SC, it could go up to 1285 All India rank. And for ST, it could go up to 2970 All India rank. One thing which is needed to be checked, which is needed to be catch, is I am saying All India rank. So all the students who are coming under category, they should not be misleaded that whether this is category rank or All India rank, as I am specifying that this is All India rank. So it doesn't matter what is your category rank, you have to just focus, you have to just check with the All India rank, right? So for Prostho, for general category, it could go up to 270 All India rank. For EWS, it could go up to 300 All India rank. For OBC, it could go up to 285 All India rank. For SC, it could go up to 935 All India rank. And for ST, it could go up to 2960 All India rank. For periodontics, general category, it could go up to 305 All India rank. For EWS, it could go up to 340 All India rank. For the OBC, it could go up to 325 All India rank. For the SC, it could go up to 1760 All India rank. And for ST, it could go up to 3395 All India rank. For orthodontics, general category, it could go up to 220 All India rank. For EWS, it could go up to 245 All India rank. For OBC, it could go up to 230 All India rank. For SC, it could go up to 915 All India rank. For pedodontics, general category, it could go up to 270 All India rank. For EWS, it could go up to 310 All India rank. For OBC, it could go up to 280 All India rank. For SC, it could go up to 1220 All India rank. For ST, it could go up to 1530 All India rank. For conservative, that is endo, for general, it could go up to 215 All India rank. For EWS, it could go up to 245 All India rank. For OBC, it could go up to 225 All India rank. For SC, it could go up to 870 All India rank. For ST, it could go up to 2165 All India rank. For public health dentistry, now we stepped into non-clinical branches. So for general category, it could go up to 400 All India rank. For EWS, it could go up to 450 All India rank. For OBC, it could go up to 435 All India rank. For SC, it could go up to 1660 All India rank. For ST, it could go up to 3435 All India rank. For oral patho, general category, it could go up to 475 All India rank. For EWS, it could go up to 525 All India rank. For OBC, it could go up to 510 All India rank. For SC, it could go up to 2030 All India rank. And for ST, it could go up to 3400 All India rank. For oral medicine, General category it could go up to 430 all India rank. For EWS it could go up to 480 all India rank. For OBC it could go up to 460 all India rank. For SC it could go up to 2030 all India rank, and for ST it could go up to 3350 all India rank. So this is what we have predicted that this time could be the cutoff. I agree with that means the cutoff can go little behind what we have expected, but you cannot guess, as I told you, you cannot guess accurately, right? So there could be 5% of deflection in the cutoff. That I too agree with you guys. This is not 100% guarantee. So what I am trying to convey is, if your ranking is under the figure which what I have mentioned in the video, you can just say that okay, you are on a safer side of getting a seat, right? So this is what I tried to convey. Now one more thing, apart from all India quota, there are deemed universities also in MCC. There are central universities also. So you have to apply for central universities and deemed university, which whoever want to apply for deemed university, it's okay for them. And there are some open states also. Earlier on, Karnataka was not on the open state. So now this time Karnataka is also open state. There are many open states. So if you wanted to take the cutoffs, last year cutoff or what we are expecting this time, if you wanted all the seat metrics cutoff, there is a book published by Career Media on its official website, which is www.careermedia.net, and it's a book of MDS. So you can just download that book. That book will really help you a lot in the counseling. If you wanted to just go with the counseling on your own, you can just take this book. You can just download this book. This book will really help you a lot. Otherwise, if you want us to assist you, to guide you, you can just give us a call, and you can take our guidance, in which we will be guiding you throughout the counseling till the time you don't get the seat, and we will definitely try to get you a very good college, very nice college on the basis of your rank. So if you wanted to take the services, you can give us a call. Now please share, subscribe, like the channel, and if you have any query, any doubt, don't miss to give us a call. Thank you so much.